On this problem, if I was to approach matching these up, the first thing I would do is find the base graph. So here we have log base 5 of x. So I know it's going to be in this exponential or this logarithmic shape because my base is greater than 1. So it's going to look like 51, 49, or 52. So log base 5 of 5 would be 1. So when I plug in 5, my output's going to be 1. When I plug in 5, my output's going to be 1. So if you look through here, we're going to have 51 as a choice and 52 as a choice. And it's kind of hard to see if you click and make them a little bigger. Both of these, if I plug in 5, this one's not quite 1. So if I was to select log of any base of 1 is 0. So you can see this one is shifted. This 51 is shifted. So the base graph is 52 here. So you should be able to pull that in there and see this is the base graph. So if this was the base and I wanted to find the graph of log base 5 of minus x, that's going to be reflected about the y-axis. So if I take this graph and I reflect it about the y-axis, I end up with 48. And then it's the only one that has negative inputs. So remember, you can never take a log of a negative number. So this negative of a negative would make that positive. So that's why the graph looks like that. Okay, so now I would go through, and so I have this base. So minus the base function means I'm going to reflect that about the x-axis. So instead of it looking like this, it's going to look something like 50 or 47, depending on the numbers there. So 1, 0 is going to be the same. If I plug in 1, I get out 0. If I plug in 1, I get out 0 here. So and so you just kind of go through 1 minus this log base would be taking this function and shifting it up 1. So this point here would be shifted up 1. So if I look at this point, see where I'm at. If I have the base function minus 1, it's this base function shifted down 1. So this 1, 0 becomes minus 1, 0. And I can take another point if I wanted to here, and then the last one here, it shifted to the right by 1. So hopefully this helps you kind of figure this out.